This is the village of Hawes, a market town in Yorkshire Dales.
Turn next left, then take the next right turn. Turn next right, then take the next right turn immediately.
The landmark of the waterfall is the Green Dragon pub. Next to the pub is the entrance of the waterfall. A straight walk will reach at the visitors center. The waterfall is located in a private land. There is a small fee of £4 for adults and £2 for children. There is an upper walk and lower walk to reach near to the waterfall. This river is Hardraw Beck. The area where the waterfall located has an outstanding natural beauty. This is Hardraw Force. England's highest single drop waterfall, set within 15 acres of woodlands in Wensleydale. These steps are famous in the movie Robin Hood Prince of Thieves. The total height of the waterfall is 100 feet. enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.